Okay, so the market opened. Let's see how it's gonna be like. As I said, my feeling is that we're gonna have a fairly balanced day. Unless, as I said before, if we don't have a balance, if we drop below the weekly previous DVA VWAP, then surely I'm gonna go with it. And let's see on the right side. So we can see here how many orders there are aligned, how many limit orders are aligned at the previous day low, just trying to hold the price within the balanced area, which I don't think they're going to be able to hold. See how they're moving up and higher. We see massive orders coming, testing the base now. Massive absorption, we can see that on the here, but the limit orders still remain there. So 64.55 holds for now. But you see the buyers, oh wow, there's massive orders coming in. Small rejection. We see reloading, we saw reloading here. And try to build a second. As I said, I don't think they can hold. Okay, if we go up now, I'm entering. Absorption in. We saw that absorption of the sellers here. And we're gonna be entering my stop. So about here. We see they are trying to build some more here, 64.56. Some more limit orders. Like we see the price is not retracing. Okay, we see that the price broke the limit orders. Initial rejection. I think it's gonna hold. Just the zero now it tries to break, so we're still at the zero base. And that's what limits the market so far. I think there isn't gonna be a problem. Big sellers, absorption there. You see how the big sellers, the absorption, price didn't go anywhere. This is where I put my stop, by the way. Just at the bottom of the base. My first target is 64.61, but I'm gonna hold it if I'm close to pass the evaluation. That's why I haven't put any target profit yet here. Okay, the delta is, there's a big absorption. Delta is trying to dump, but has absorbed everything. Now it's trying to go down. Let's see. We may see a retest of the VWAP. I'm gonna put a little bit lower. Okay, price gonna continue higher, to be honest. Shows very great strength. We knew beforehand that this area, there's a lot of sellers here. So there's a lot of absorption there. The delta is still diving into minus 500, but there's big absorption for sellers. In theory, price should pop up at some point, unless we see a reversal of the VWAP. Okay, delta is coming up again. Let's see. I'm still within the trade because VWAP is holding. If we break the VWAP, I'm gonna be out. Okay, there's a lot of pressure. The delta went to minus 1.1K. I think I'm gonna stop for now. So big absorption there. I got out of the position just in case he decides to, because the delta is from 500 over to 1200 minus. So just to protect myself. If I see price coming up again and tries to break it, maybe I'll be gonna enter, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, price is coming up. It's a retest of the VWAP held. Okay, I'm entering again. Now we're trying to sell. We see here unsuccessfully. We did a retest of the VWAP. We saw the big orders coming in. I am here in with 2 minis now. You see there's a lot of limit orders here stacking up, stacked up, 92, 82, 66. So we may go higher, but we may go like a little bit of slowly grind. Unless we see a massive volume coming in. There's a big battle coming there at the previous day low, 65, 64, 55. We saw here that on the order flow that we tried to sell unsuccessfully. It's a good sign that's going to go higher. But of course, you never know. But I still believe it's going to break. The delta's coming in. We're at we're testing against the zero now. Hopefully, it's going to break. Oh, lots of volumes coming in now, massive. When it breaks, it's going to be a big bang. Big volume coming in. If we break the ledge, which is exactly here, we theory we can continue without problems until 64, 62. So we're gonna cover the gap fairly quickly. Yet the price couldn't break the zero base. You see, but there's a lot of absorption. Gonna There's a lot of absorption. There's a lot of volume came in negative and not everything was absorbed. So now it's a matter of patience. Just hold your positions. It's gonna pop hard now. Big absorption now. We're at the verse now with we're at the value area high, and that's why there are a lot of sellers there. If we manage to break above, a lot of negative volume coming now. It's kind of like balanced today. We see buyers that are building their base here. But they can't hold it anymore. Let's see. Sellers try to push here lower, they couldn't. There's a lot of big battle going there. I still believe we're gonna break the previous day low, but we need a little bit of patience for this area to clear. Okay, I'm out again. I'm just waiting for the price to see where it wants to go. Just waiting to see whether we're gonna reach the DVA high or not. So here, see if we failed twice to break above, which was our main hypo. It didn't work out. We're again at the value area low now. Our second hypo to the downside is at the DVA high, and our third hypo again to the downside is a rejection of the overnight low and the weekly pips DVA VWAP here. So one is here and one is here. Now I'm not taking any more positions, just waiting for things to clear a little bit.